it was kind of like my coming out again. I was like, wow, man, I feel like this is, this is my comeback. Like we can come back and be fully strong and be fully me again.
Shaving of the old and growing of the new. Ready? That is so ready. Thank you.
A good sized area for us to fill in, blending in really well on the sides too.
I feel lightheaded, but that's just from the medication. But otherwise, it just seemed like time just flew by. I really feel that I've been here for a few hours. So, but otherwise, I feel good. I feel comfortable, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the next half of the session.
Once we also finalize the numbers in for us. Okay, good, that's all done. Alright, you'll feel less foggy as well.
That's good. I feel, well rested. I don't feel any pain, and the doctors were really informative, very comprehensive. They were talking to me the whole time, made me feel at home, at ease, and very comfortable.
Yeah, and you were eating during the procedure.
Yeah, I was. This is the first time where there was literally no diet at all, no dieting. I was just eating. I was always hungry every time I woke up. And you know, they were you know, the guys here were really sweet. They always brought me a sandwich, and so you know, I enjoyed my sandwich thoroughly. And I've got a new favorite sandwich, chicken sandwich. That's my new fave. Hey guys, I'm Arnold Aninion. I'm here at Clinique de Paris, and it's been 6 months, and this is my hair. Hey guys, so I'm about to start my plasma treatment, and you know, it's for post recovery. It's really designed to help thicken my hair, help the healing of all my grafts, and you know, there are some places on my head that were kind of thinning, and this is a great way to just really bring back the hair, rejuvenate it, and look young again. So I'm excited. Dude, I don't know why you don't want to do it. And he goes, oh, because I don't want to have a band and this red. I was like, yeah, dude, who cares? After a month, it'll be gone.
Yeah.
And then people are gonna be like, why didn't I do that? Why didn't I try? So I always tell them, like, just get over it, do it, and you know, reap the benefits. Yeah. And so it was kind of like when we got the surgery done, it was kind of like my coming out again. I was like, wow, man, I feel like this is, you know, this is my comeback. Like we can come back and be fully strong and be fully me again. So you know, for those guys that are going through those, I think this is a great chapter to kind of, you know, recharge yourself, kind of rewrite things. If you've already been going through things as a bald man and they come back, you know, and just reopen the chapter, because that's what it's like for me. This is like a totally different chapter of my life. I didn't think it would be, none of the stuff I did not think would ever happen, ever, work-wise, training-wise. I really had zero expectations. You know, even after watching all the videos and all the guys that you showed me in the photos, I was like, okay, well, let's see. I had zero expectations, but I was so surprised. So that's why I hope my friends do it. I really do, because I know that psychologically they're going through a lot of stuff, and that's something that they don't talk about. And you know, and it's okay to kind of be honest about it. So if they're watching this, you know, I know what's happening here. Yeah.